Sorry pa. 1, 2, 3, go.
Black.
Wow! Well, you're even shown.
Black.
Okay, enough na. Okay, and the live. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Let's be quiet.
Okay, can you like reveal? Okay, oh my god.
Unsa?
Okay. Okay, who is Shanzay? Okay, Shanzay. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Guys, it's okay. People happen. Oh my god. Things happen.
Hershey, go. Oh my god. La.
Ay ba?
Okay, that's it. They're kinda...
Okay, let's do it properly, guys.
Okay, again.
Oh my God.
Reveal. Okay, I'm Rain. Okay, next. Shanzay. Bro.
I'm not. Hi, guys.
Oh, that's it. Okay. Nile. Hershey.
Hello.
Bro, they're so cringe.
Cringe, B.
Okay.
Okay.
How you guys became friends?
Me and Reina.
Oh, okay, Chica.
Okay.
We're not friends.
I
hate friends.
Can you say it? Guys, I already
Can you
said
like
it.
seriously like explain our love story?
Bro, Nile.
Put the camera down kasi malilibong
Hershey. Uy, imong face.
malipong.
No, Dalahi, I told you, mind you, there's people saying
Mind you.
Reina, what if you live here na lang? Like,
Yeah, here na
It's so dark there kasi.
no, it's okay.
No, it's not. Look, unsay face this there.
Guys, are you okay?
We don't wanna turn the lights on kasi it's big light. Eh. Pag mahug to dito, ang hirap i-get niyan, ha?
Okay,
I know.
Dito.
I know what light, guys. See the light with the sky.
That's-
To see. It calls me.
Oh my god, that sounded nice.
I'm gonna leave my techno. I swear.
Fake funny over there.
Oh my god, we're done. She just tried to turn
Bro, I'm in Cebu. Why are you looking for...
If I use the light right now, this one.
Eh, you need to charge that one. Oy. Jarain Blues sa hello, Jarain Blues.
Berat nga lang na yung
Hello, Jaren Blues.
Beratata.
Hey, babe.
Oh my god! Why? Xander and Kuan got Kuan on Twitter.
Good ko.
Oh my God!
Sige. Ganto ba yung...
Shut up! Xander and Tyler?
Yeah.
No, wait.
Ay, si Tyler, monggo, nag-post siya, weird.
Kasi di ba?
G-story man na. Kinsa day na?
Ay, si Xander di ay ni.
Yeah, that's
Kinsa na,
Xander.
uy?
Rina, that's Rina.
Wow, my friend's getting recognized, bro.
Guys, they're gay.
Uy, Hershey!
So that they won't ship.
Oh, actually gay?
Hey, they're not yeah, you're so mean, dude.
God, you're
Sorry,
so
guys.
bad.
Hershey's just so cancelable, bro.
Hindi kasi para wala yung ship.
Chinito Moreno.
Yeah.
Dale, Moreno.
Actually,
Dale,
that's
Moreno.
true. That's true. Like you, Rina. Chinito Moreno. Huh? Ay. I'm gonna sleep sa.
Rain, ba't wala ka kanina? Kasi I'm in Cebu. Bro, I cannot live with you guys. It's so weird.
Why?
Hey,
Hershey.
Ina, like you live by ba?
Oh my god.
oh my god, stop touching.
What? What are people saying?
Saying, vlog Clover daw.
Okay, it's
Coming. Clover.
Coming. We're still brewing the
We have an
vlog.
upcoming vlog.
We're brewing the
along
vlog.
with 2 boys.
Yeah, they vlogged daw kanina.
With
With
our
you.
6 straw.
What's that?
Wait, how did you do that? What is it?
It's awkward because I'm with you guys. I was fine with like alone, wait.
Ay, sorry ha. Sige, gawas.
Hala, oh my car.
Hola, Nile. Hola. Wait, I don't speak.
Skibidi!
Guys, my image ba? It's broken.
Okay, now, let's do it properly. No.
Hoy, mahulog yan lagi.
Dili, lagi. No, my pops okay.
Nile.
That's the point of a pop socket, bro.
Okay, behave.
Touch your nose if you like, Kai.
Nile, you have to like choose what you read.
Wait, what? Ano rin?
She's like reading everything.
Hello, Clover 4. Wala kayo sa Taguig, no? Isang hi, Chelsea Lian.
Bro, why you reading everything? Wait, sorry guys. They're new.
Ang cute ni Nile.
Oh, shucks!
Pa-shout out birthday.
Okay.
Are you in Cebu right now, Rain?
Yeah, guys, we just watched Reina's billboard earlier. You should have went there. It's too sad you didn't go there.
Huh?
No, Reina's leaving.
Someone commented.
What did it say? Oh, shut up. Nothing. God in the hood.
It's okay, guys. People can actually be so scary. Like,
Wait,
That's creepy.
Ba.
Bobo!
Nile, my bias though.
Hello, pretty
Oh my God!
Oh.
Bro. Guys, you gotta stop with that. Bro, I'm actually gonna talk na ba?
Are
Hi,
you in
Rain
Cebu,
from
Rain?
Taiwan, bro.
Hershey, hello.
Hershey, hi.
Hershey?
Bias record siya si.
Hey!
Shout Nile!
Okay.
I think he was supposed to shout out Nile. Okay, let's choose what we read. John C.
John C, my bias.
Shout out Rain from Taiwan.
Hala, gikalimtan ako no. Kamu na lagi bias lagi.
Hi, Marian. Hi, Lane. Lane is the one who gave our gift.
Lian sa tuwi.
Ay, Lian din. Sorry.
Oh.
Ay, what's that?
Thank you
Oh
so
my God,
much.
ang bilis ang
John. Oh my God. Sorry guys, like my friends are like.
Mga tulog na mo.
Uy, Hersheyana daw, Hersheyana.
Hey!
Joy.
Guys, we need the proper live.
Highway Hilda. Isang Highway Hilda daw rin.
Pakabaho.
Pakabaho ng... practice Tagalog. Guys, let's speak Tagalog. Like,
Okay.
only Tagalog challenge.
What can we like
Okay,
do in
simula.
life? Kasi simula.
Start. Magsimula.
We're so bored.
Bakit ang tahimik niyo? Hindi kayo
Wait lang.
marunong, no?
Ah, okay. Look at this, guys.
Look at this.
Ew, shit.
Isn't it neat?
What did you think?
Okay, you know, guys, Nile and I made like this last year.
What did you
Oh, it's here.
think?
Can you like react?
Girl who has
I'm gonna take your ears off.
Oh my God, this is what I look like.
Gadgets and gizmos to plan.
Yeah, so we had to do this for our school and then they said it was wrong, so we had to do it again. What did you say? I mean, I'm not saying it's something bad. We still did it, so like, it was fun. Here in Reina's house.
Ha! Watching from Laguna. Hi, Laguna. Sing for us. Oh my God, Nile, it's your time to shine.
Go na, go na. Hello, gilipot pa ako.
Mahulog dyan na. Go sing. 7 a.m. Go.
7 a.m. the usual morning. Line up.
Hey.
What do you think about my voice?
Mm.
Sorry, yung phone mo.
Galing daw, galing. Rain, touch. Ay.
See, it's Lian.
Shout out Lian.
Hi, Shanda, you're so pretty.
Kali pretty.
Shout out Lian.
No, I'm not saying you're ugly. I'm just saying you're tama.
Ang cute
Kasi
niya.
tama.
Tama!
Right.
She was like,
Correct.
oh my God, no. Tama ba?
Tama, correct.
Tama, it's like this. Tama, like I was...
Tanga.
That's tanga.
Guys, you gotta be biting ko.
Hindi man yan.
That's correct. Laoy, sa mukha ninyo yun.
Now, main vocalist.
Oh my God.
I should laugh properly.
Hi, Clover friends. Pa-shout out naman.
Shout out!
Manaoy.
What did you think?
Kinsa day lang there, oy. Dako lagi.
What did you think?
Bro, I can't do this with you guys.
Agay!
Everything.
Hi, Lalisa27.
Nga, who's it and what's it?
Thank you po sa nag-bring ani.
You want thingamabobs?
Is it bigger than yours?
It's as tall as us.
No, I'm taller than it.
Oh my god, no, don't make me look like that bad, guys. I'm tall.
Why do we suck at TikTok live?
Oh my.
Join my team.
Guys, can we like be entertaining
What
also?
does join my team mean?
My team ba? Nobody's gonna get that joke anyways.
I can't do this with you guys. Guys, when I live, do you even watch?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Shut up.
You always
Yeah.
live when I'm in class.
I saw you live for the first time on TikTok. You were like here in your room singing.
Liar! I never did that.
Yes,
Oh,
you
yeah, I did.
Like the first time.
Oh, you watched that? Really? Oh, you're such a fan. How about you?
Oh my god, that's
Yeah.
being cringe.
What did you watch?
For like 5 seconds.
Thanks. That's how they are, no? They just check it.
No, because
Bro,
when
I watched your unboxing when I was in physics.
Oh my god.
Ay, biology. Bro, that was at night.
No, it was in the morning. Unboxing ba? Like your first unboxing.
Sige,
I was
cool.
in bio. I didn't have
Bro, why are you revealing to the world that you're not listening in class? Oh my god.